Hello everyone, welcome to the web portal of Bista Solutions. We are a leading solution provider company in software industry and we provide the best solution for our clients across the globe. Let me start with my introduction first. My name is Pankaj Kawani and I am a web developer in Bista Solutions. Today in this session we will see the integration of Magento version 2.0 with Odoo version 9. This module is built with Magento and there is no coding required for the integration at Odoo side. So it will provide you the best and one-stop solution for Magento Odoo integration. The module is using JSON RPC to integrate with. Talking about the features, it provides different solutions for the integration like category integration, products integration, product inventory integration, product attributes and its values, customer integration, sales order integration, currency integration, payment method integration, delivery method integration, invoices, pickings, that is shipment, and cancel order. Whenever any processing will be done at Magento side, it will push the data to Odoo and Odoo will take the data and create a record likewise in the system. So let's start with the configuration first. In Magento admin, in stores configuration, we have created a configuration menu called Odoo configuration where you need Odoo URL, that is your Odoo instance URL, your working database name, admin username, admin password for the connectivity. Now let's test the connectivity. Okay, it's connected with Odoo through JSON RPC and the status is successfully connected. Let's check for the category integration first. In products categories, I have selected one category like training. Okay, its name is training. Now I'm gonna save this category. Currently we are having 5 category at Odoo side. Okay, the category has been saved successfully. Now let's check at Odoo side. Training, new category has been created. Let's check in detail. It is having Magento product category ID is 9. That is this Magento's category ID for the reference. Now let's check for the products. I'll select this product which is having this name, SKU, price and quantity. The product detail in advance. Let's check the inventory. It's 100 currently. Now I'm gonna save this product. And currently at Odoo side we are having 18 of the records for the products. Okay, the product has been saved successfully. Now let's check at Odoo side. The new record has been created. Let's find it out. Okay, this is the same. It has price 57, quantity 100. Let's check it inventory. 100 inventory has been created. And it is having Magento product ID 1066 as a reference. Now let's move on to product attributes in Magento. In stores, attributes product. In Magento products have many attributes. Let's check it out for colors. Currently there are no records in Odoo. Let's check it out for color. Okay, for color it is having some value like this. Now I'm gonna save this attribute. Okay, we have saved the product attributes. Now let's check it Odoo side. The attribute color has been created with Magento attribute ID 90. Let's check it values. The values has been created. You can see this. Now let's move on to the customer part. In Magento, this is the customer. Whenever I'll save this customer, I'll create a new customer or update an existing one, it will throw the data to Odoo, and Odoo will create a new customer or update the customer. Currently I have already mapped the customer in my Magento system. Let's check it out. This is the main customer part, and these three are the address, whether it is a shipping address or billing address or another kind of address. It will create a new record every time or update if it is existing one. Now let's move to the sales order part, and I am creating a new order. I am creating an order for the customer Pankaj Kawani and adding a product which we have created earlier. The product has been added. This is the email. Now I have added a new address, which is this one. This is the payment method. We need to specify a shipping method. I am selecting this as a shipping method. After selecting shipping method, it is added to the subtotal, and now the grand total is like this. And now I'm gonna submit this order. With this order submission, some other data will automatically map, like currency, delivery, tax, and payment. Currently we are having 15 orders already in our Odoo instance. So let's check it for the new one. Okay, the new order has been created with ID 88. Now let's check at Odoo side. 16. The new order has been created SO037. Let's go into the detail. Meanwhile, it has created a new address for the user Pankaj Kawani, this one, which we have given in our order. See, the order has been created with the Magento reference ID 88. It has the product detail and the delivery detail. Now let's check about the product. We have added this product as an order item. Let's check it out for its inventory. It's 99 has been forecasted and 1 has been added to the sales. Now when I'll click on invoice, it will create an invoice in Magento and will throw the data to Odoo, and in Odoo for this order the invoice will be created, and same thing it will be happened for shipment. Now I'll cancel this order and see what will be happened at Odoo side. The order has successfully cancelled. Now let's check at Odoo side. See, the order has been cancelled. This is the same order we have created from Magento. You can synchronize all your data from Magento admin, where we have created a menu like Magento Odoo mapping, where these are the menu items for mapping. Let's check about the category. This is the category mapping, Odoo category ID, Magento category ID, and the status. You can export this view as well. You can filter likewise. By this way, you can do synchronization of all your data and mappings as well. Now I'm gonna wrap up this session, and you can see all the blog posts and videos on our portal, and you can post comments and see the demos on our portal as well. And we are ready to serve you and will provide you the best solution for your need. That's it from my side. I am Pankaj Kawani, thanking you for watching this video, and I will be back with some other fun making videos which are beneficial for you to run your business smoothly and easily. Thank you. Bye bye.